Hi guys, today we're gonna go to the Troll Slap and Tell. If you wanna know my name in Roblox, just search Teo6392. This is my face. If you see it, just search Samuel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, kind of weird, but subscribe if you know this game. Like and share and comment if you wanna meet me. So let's do it. Oh my gosh, I wish I would be the slapping shoulder right now.
Wala po kay 75 Sam no? 79 na no?
Yes.
Sam no?
Yes.
Si Kuan na day 75.
Zia.
Oh.
Oh, Jim.
Sa science ra ka na 75 ay 79.
Hate kasi na akong science. Oh my gosh. No, not again. I'm really good at this game. Why do I never gonna be good at this? Wait, what? What just happened? Did I page myself? Let's go even faster.
Tariya, i-change na mo yan, dili.
Yes,
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Kako, title yan. Ito na. Hoy. Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar no papa. Johnny.
Hi, babe.
Johnny, yes papa. Johnny, yes papa.
Subscribe guys if I would have win this.
Eating sugar. Johnny.
Oh my gosh.
Johnny.
I'm gonna tell you a story if I wanna finish this. I'm gonna tell you a story if I wanna finish this.
Johnny.
Okay, one day there was a boy
Yes, Papa.
named John.
Johnny.
Why does John leave early
Ah.
from school? But John didn't reply. And there, last time her mom saw her carrying an axe. But Johnny replies, I'm gonna put it at the crane. Because the barber said so. But they didn't. But the mom did. He said, okay son. He smirked.
Yes, Papa.
Okay.
Johnny.
Someone didn't know
Yes, Papa.
that I'm vlogging right now. Roblox game is full of content. Okay guys, I'm gonna tell you about the story about the Roblox. There was a boy in Roblox. She was a bacon.
Ayun na, pinabula-bula, te. Kagul, kay matumba kaya, ha? Kay kabula-bula, pabula.
I didn't know who was she.
Ayun lang, nantawa lang siya. Ayun na siya, bula, kasabot.
Gosh,
Gawa yung cellphone nito,
we
cellphone.
speak this language.
Johnny.
Oh my god. So, if someone says where do you live and where's your address, just comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel.